Hello guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to get your connected Wi-Fi password. Okay, so you required CMD mode. You need to go there. CMD mode, that is command mode. So first you need to search here, then type CMD. You will get the command prompt. Just click here, then you will reach like this on screen. Okay, so you will reach like this on screen. So that after that you need to type net LAN profiles, net LAN show profiles. Okay, then press enter. You will so here you can see how many connected already in your PC or laptop. So my PC connected 4 networks so far. So I need to get this network password. Okay, this Wi-Fi password, this for example this Wi-Fi provider not show when he typing the password in my laptop or PC. Okay, so I just want to select this one. Okay, I just mark this one, then go edit, copy. Okay, this I already copied. Then you type again net LAN show profile. Then you need to paste. Before we copy this one, we need to paste here. So that's why that's for that you need to go here, then select paste. Okay, so you already paste the same name here. Otherwise, if we can type, you can type also. Then key is equal to clear. Okay, everybody clear? After that, press enter. Okay, once you press enter, you will get like this on screen, Here you can see key content. This is the password. So you can use for next equipment like mobiles, some tabs. If you have, you can use this password also. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.